Good morning, all of you. Our today's topic is read and write larger numbers. So, before discussing these topics, you have already seen that in our certain numbers, in certain larger numbers, you have seen the use of comma. Okay, in certain places, we are using comma for larger numbers. So, first, you have to study where we will put those commas. Okay, so let's take an example and see. Let's take a number. Suppose I am taking the number 2, 6, 7, 3, 3, 6, 2, 3. Okay, now you have to say where I will put those commas. Okay, the first thing that you have to notice is that first you have to put the comma after 3 digits from the right, that is from the right side. After 3 digits you have to put the comma, that is 1 2 3. So here you will put the comma first. Here you will put the comma, that is after 3 digits from the right. And after that, after every 2 digits you have to put the comma, that is 1 2. So here you have to put the comma, then 1 2. Here you have to put the comma. In this way you have to put the commas. Okay, actually this is according to Indian system of numeration. You are putting the comma in this way, but according to international system of numeration, commas are not put in this way. It is in a different way, but now you have to understand the Indian system of numeration. Okay, so according to this Indian system of numeration, we are putting the commas in this way. Let's take any other example. Suppose I am taking this number. So how you will put the commas? First thing that you have to notice is that from the last, after 3 digits you have to put the comma, that is 1 2 3. So here you have to put the comma. Now after every 2 digits, that is 1 2. So here 1 2, here now 1 2. Okay, so in this way you have to put the commas. Now let's see how you will name this, as well as how you will expand this larger numbers, and how you will read and write this larger numbers. Okay, now in order to name the numbers as well as to expand the numbers, for making it easy, we are using the concept of placement boxes. So what do you mean by placement boxes? Inside the placement boxes we will put the place values, that is ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, etc. And we will put these digits under that placement boxes. Let's see how we are doing that. The first column will be number, that is here you will write the number. First column will be number, that is here you will write the number which is given, that is 2 6 7 3 3 6 2 3. Okay, now what will be the next one? And then you will mark from last here ones, tens, thousand, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Okay, ones, tens, then what? 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, etc. In this way we will mark the place values inside this placement boxes. And now you have to write the digits under these columns, that is here in ones place you have got 3, so you will write 3 here, and in the tens place it is 2, so 2 here, hundreds place 6, thousands place 3, 10,000s place 3, lakhs place 7, 10 lakh place 6, crores place 2. Okay, in this way you have to mark the digits. Now the next thing is that you have to write the name of this number. Okay, so here you can see that in the crores place you have got 2, is it? So you can say this as 2 crore. Okay, 2 crore. Then in the lakhs place what you have seen, 67. So 2 crore 67,000. Sorry, 67 lakhs. Okay, in the lakhs place you have seen 67. So 2 crore 67 lakhs. In the thousands place you have seen 33. So 33,000. Okay, 33,000. Now in the hundreds place it is 6. So 600. And what is remaining? 23. So you will write 23. Got it? So 2 crore 67 lakhs 33,623. In this way you have to read this number. Okay. Now let's see how you will expand this number. For the expansion of this number you have to see each of this place value. That is, in the crores place you have got what? 2. So first case you can write 2 into 1 crore means how many zeros? 7 zeros. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 into 1 crore plus, in the 10 lakhs place what is there? 6. So 6 into 10 lakh means how many zeros? 6 zeros. Okay. Plus 7. 7 into 1 lakh means 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus here in 10,000 place it is 3. So 3 into 10,000. Plus in thousands place it is 3. So 3 into 1000. Plus in hundreds place it is 6. So 6 into 100. Plus in tens place it is 2. So 2 into 10 plus in ones place it is 3. So plus 3. In this way you have to expand this number, this large number. Okay. So this is what the expansion and naming is. Okay, in this way you have to do it. So we have done all these things, that is use of commas as well as naming according to Indian system of numeration. But according to international system of numeration, this placement of commas as well as naming is also different from these names. Okay, the place values, names and all are different from Indian system of numeration. So we have to study international system of numeration also. Let's take an example and differentiate the Indian system as well as the international system. This is our example. Now let's see the use of commas in Indian system of numeration. In Indian system we have already discussed, that is, we will put commas after every first comma we will put after 3 digits from right side. Okay, that means we will put the first comma here after 3 digits from right, 1, 2, 3, and next comma we will put after every 2 digits, that is 1, 1, 2. Here we will put a comma, 1, 2. Here we will put a comma. In this way, every time we will put the comma from last or from the back side only we will put the commas. Okay, not from the front. So in Indian system we will put commas in this way. Now let's see in the case of international system of numeration. In international system of numeration, we will put commas after every 3 digits from back side. Okay, from right side. From here we will put the commas after every 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Here we will put 1, 2, 3. Here we will put. In this way you have to put. Okay. So in Indian system, from the right side, after the 3 digits we will put the first comma, then after every 2 digits we will put the commas. But in international system of units, system of numeration, we will put the commas after every 3 digits. Okay, so that's the difference between putting the commas. Okay, now let's see how you will name the place values in Indian system and international system. Okay, so now in Indian system and international system we will see the difference of their place value. So for ones place, in Indian system we will say it as ones place, in international system also it is ones place. Tens place also it is tens place in Indian system, and in international system also we will say it as tens place. Now hundreds place, Indian system we will say hundreds place, here also it is hundreds place. Okay, now the next one in Indian system is thousands place, here also it is thousands place. Now what is next in Indian system? In Indian system the next one is 10,000. In international also it is 10,000. In Indian system after 10,000 it is lakhs. Okay, it is lakhs. In international system it is 100,000. After 10,000 the place value we will call it as 100,000. Okay, in Indian system it is lakhs, but in international system it is 100,000. Now after lakhs in Indian system it is 10 lakh, but in international system after 100,000 we will call it as million. Okay, millions. Now after 10 lakh it is, in Indian system we call it as crore, but in international system it is 10 million. Now in Indian system after crore it is 10 crore, in international system it is after 10 it is 100 million. Okay, so in this way it will go. Now let's see a number and name it according to Indian system. So till 10,000 the names are the same, but after this 10,000 it is lakhs here, it is 100,000 here, it is 10 lakh, it is million here, it is crore, and it's 10 million here, it's 10 crore, and it's 100 million here. Okay, after 100 million what will be the next? Billion, then 10 billion. In this way it will go. Okay, now let's name a number according to Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration, as well as expand it also. Let's take an example. So the example that I am taking is 789211092. Okay, so first you have to write it according to Indian system by using commas. How you will write it? First, after 3 digits from right you have to put the first comma. Now after every 2 digits you have to put the commas. So it will be in this way, that is 7 comma 89 comma 21 comma 092. Now according to international system, how you will write it? After every 3 numbers from the right you have to put the commas. From the right means 1 2 3, here first comma, 1 2 3, here the second comma. Okay, in this way you have to put, always you have to put the commas from right, not from the left. Okay, so you can write this number as 78 comma 921 comma 092. Okay, now let's name this according to both systems. So let's see the place values first. Okay, I'm not using the placement boxes here. I'm just marking here as this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh, and this is what? Crore. Okay, so 7 we have got in which place? In the crores place, so that you can say it is 7 crore. Okay, now in the lakhs place you have got 89. That means you can say 7 lakhs 89, 7 crore 89 lakhs. Now in the thousands place you have got 21. So 21,000. 21,000. Now in the hundreds place there is nothing, so no need of writing that. Now the remaining is what? 92. So 92. So how you will read this according to Indian system? 7 crore 89 lakhs 21,092. Okay. Now let's see how you will read this number according to International System of Numeration. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place, 10,000. Then what? In international it is 100,000, and the next one is million, and this is what? 10 million. 10 million. Okay, so in the 10 million what you have got? In the 10 million and million space you have got 78. That means you can say 70. You can name this easily by observing the commas. Okay, 78 is in one pair. In this 78 is standing together inside the commas. So 78 million. Okay, 78 is in millions place, so 78 million. Now in thousands place, that is 100,000, 10,000 and 1000. In those three places we have got 921. So you can say 921,000. Okay, 921,000. And what is remaining in hundreds, tens and ones place? Only 92. So 92. Okay, according to International System of Numeration, we will name it as 78,921,092. Okay, so in this way you can name this number. Let's take one more example and see how you will name these numbers according to both systems. Let's take the number 7452283. Okay, so according to Indian system, how you will put the commas? First you will put the comma after the first 3 digits from right, then after every 2 digits. So in this way, so that is 74 comma 52 comma 283. Okay, now let's see according to international system how you will put the commas after every 3 digits from right, that is here 1 comma and here 1 comma. Okay, so you will get 7 comma 452 comma 283. Okay, Now let's see how you will name these numbers. So let's mark its place values. You can either mark it in this way or you can draw the placement boxes. In both way you can do, no problem. I am now just marking its place value. So in Indian system it is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. Now, according to international system, how you will mark these numbers? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now it is not lakhs place, but instead it is 100,000s place, and it is million. Okay. Now let's name these numbers. So here you can see in the lakhs place we have got how much? 74. So 74 lakhs. Okay. Now in the thousands place what you have got? 52. 74 lakhs 52,000. 74 lakh 52,000. 283. Okay, 283. In this way you can name the numbers 283. Now let's see how you will name this number according to international system of numeration. So in the millions place you can see only 7 is there in millions place. So you can say it is 7 million. Okay. Now in the thousands place you can see it is 452. Thousands place what is there? 452. So 452,000. Okay, 452,283. Okay, 283. So it is 7,452,283. So in international system you have to name these three numbers as whole, but in Indian system it is naming these two numbers as whole. Okay, so that is the difference. Now how you will expand this number? Let's see that. So expansion of these numbers in both systems are the same. That is, you can expand this as in the 10 lakhs place you have got 7 here. So 7 into 10 lakh means how many zeros? 6 zeros. Plus in lakhs place what is there? It is 4. So 4 into 1 lakh. Okay. Plus in 10,000s place it is 5. So 5 into 10,000 plus in thousands place it is 2. So 2 into 1,000 plus in hundreds place it is 2. So 2 into 100 plus in tens place it is 8. So 8 into 10 plus in ones place it is 3. So plus 3. In this way you can expand the numbers. So you have understood how to use commas in both Indian system as well as international system, and naming in the case of Indian system as well as international system is different. I hope you understood the difference between them. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.